We're getting ready to pull out of Joshua Tree National Park right now. Hope you had a chance to watch that video. If you didn't, I'll put a link for it down below. So here's the plan for today. We're going to leave Joshua Tree right now and travel south on the 111. We'll check out the Salton Sea. While we're down there, we'll visit Slab City and Salvation Mountain. We'll go east a little bit and check out the Imperial Sand Dunes. Go down south, hit the border wall, and then head west on Interstate 8 towards San Diego. And the goal is to get there by dinner time. A lot to do today. Let's go. Way down in Southern California, we're at the Salton Sea. Drive off a cliff here. Where are we going? Look at this. I love exploring these small towns in the middle of nowhere. This one at one point was a town, but there's nobody here anymore, and it is really strange. What do you think of the town of Bombay?
It's way too creepy here.
So you're not a big fan of this town, are you? Just heard a guy yell, "Get out." I don't know where the voice came from, or if he was talking to me or not. But I think I'll just take him at his word. This is shaping up to be the most unique day of your life, isn't it? We never found the artillery range, but we did find Slab City, and it is really hot and strange. You're seeing parts of America that you never knew existed, Kayla. What in the world is that? So Kayla, I've got you in some interesting situations, but what do you think about this place?
I don't know. I feel like we're in a Dr. Seuss book right now. But it's cool. A lot of colors. Salvation Hill, Dad.
Yeah, this place is called Salvation Hill, and it is in the middle of absolutely nowhere. So unless you have an intentional desire to come here because you know about this place, you would never find it. We were heading toward the gunnery range and the artillery site for the Marine Corps, and this just happened to be on the way. There's 2 people here now walking on the mountain, and I don't see anybody else here, including caretakers, owners. I don't know if we have to pay a fee, but we're gonna head over there and check things out. This is pretty cool. Someone put a lot of work into this. So the way the story goes is Leonard Knight came to faith. And in his incredible love for God, he wanted to show the world the free grace, the salvation, the forgiveness of your sins that is offered in Jesus Christ. He wanted to show the world that God is love. Mr. Knight went to be with the Lord back in 2011. So what are we looking at for a temperature reading, Kayla?
It's 97 right now. It's gonna get to 107 later on today. And on Wednesday, it's gonna be 112. That's hot.
Gas stations are few and far between out here in southern California, right on the border of Mexico. So we refilled the tank, refilled our stomachs with a couple bags of tuna fish on the fly, eat a little Luna bar right here, and we're back on the road. Next stop, Imperial Sand Dunes.
Let's go.
As we continue on this most interesting day, we now find ourselves at Imperial Sand Dunes recreation area. We're here at Imperial Sand Dunes. We're gonna go out. The dunes are scorching red hot though, so it might be kind of hard to walk on it. I was hoping to rent like a dune buggy or something. I thought that'd be a lot of fun, but we went through the town. There's like one store in the town, nothing to be seen. There's even no dune buggies on the sand itself. So I'm thinking maybe this car says. What do you think?
Are you kidding me?
I think this car can handle it.
Are you being serious?
It's worth giving it a shot. Give me a minute to think about it. Hold on. Probably a bad idea. Imperial Sand Dunes right here. Mountains over there, Salton Mountains. That's the Marine Artillery Range. It's scorching out here. And walking on the sand is like walking on hot coals. I've never experienced sand that hot. This is some serious sweating right now. What do you think, Kayla?
Oh man, there she is.
There's the wall.
The wall.
I think we're allowed to walk over there? I think I park right here. I'm on this hill. At least I'm not blocking the road.
Is that alright?
Let's, I don't see any no trespassing signs. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. We're leaving the air conditioner though, but it's worth to walk up to the wall. Let's go check it out. Looks like this wall's been here a while. It's pretty hard to get over the top of it. Probably on all kinds of surveillance cameras and stuff, you know. It's about the closest you've come to Mexico.